Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through downloading and installing VirtualBox on Windows 10 or 11. But first, let me quickly explain what VirtualBox is and why you might want it. VirtualBox is free virtualization software from Oracle that essentially lets you run multiple operating systems on a single computer. Think of it as creating a computer within your computer. You can experiment with Linux, test older versions of Windows, or even try macOS, all without touching your main system or needing a second machine. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. It really helps the channel grow and lets me know you want more content like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser. I'm using Chrome, but any browser works fine. In the search bar, type VirtualBox Download and hit Enter. You'll want to click on the official VirtualBox website, which should be the first result. It's virtualbox.org. Once you're on the home page, look for the big blue Download VirtualBox button. Click on that. This takes you to the Downloads page where you'll see options for different operating systems. Since we're installing on Windows, click on Windows Hosts. The download should start automatically. The file is around 100 megabytes, so it shouldn't take too long depending on your internet speed. Once the download completes, navigate to your Downloads folder and locate the VirtualBox installer file. Double-click it to launch the setup wizard. Windows might ask if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. Click Yes to continue. The VirtualBox setup wizard will appear. Click Next to begin the installation process. On the next screen, you'll see the custom setup options. The default settings work perfectly fine for most users, so you can just click Next here. However, if you want to change the installation location, you can browse to a different folder. The next screen shows additional installation options. You'll see checkboxes for creating shortcuts and registering file associations. I recommend leaving these as they are and clicking Next. Now here's an important warning. You'll see a message about network interfaces. During installation, VirtualBox will temporarily reset your network connection, which means you'll lose internet access for a few seconds. Don't worry, this is completely normal. Just make sure you're not in the middle of an important download or video call. Click Yes to proceed. On the next screen, click Install to begin the actual installation. The installation will now begin. You might see a few progress bars and some prompts to install device software from Oracle. Make sure to click Install whenever these pop up. These are the drivers VirtualBox needs to function properly. The entire process usually takes about 1 to 2 minutes. Just be patient while it completes. Perfect. The installation is now complete. Make sure the Start Oracle VM VirtualBox after installation checkbox is checked, then click Finish. VirtualBox will launch, and you'll see the main interface. This is your VirtualBox Manager, the control center where you'll create and manage all your virtual machines. Let me give you a quick tour. On the left side, you'll see a list of your virtual machines, obviously empty right now since this is a fresh install. The toolbar at the top has buttons for creating new VMs, adjusting settings, and starting machines. On the right, you'll see detailed information about whichever virtual machine is selected. To give you a quick preview, if I click the New button, you can see where you'd start creating a virtual machine. You'd give it a name, select which operating system you want to install, and configure things like RAM and storage. But don't worry, I'll cover all of that in detail in my next video. And that's it. You've successfully installed VirtualBox on your Windows computer. You're now ready to start creating virtual machines and exploring different operating systems safely and easily. In my next tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to create your first virtual machine and install an operating system on it step by step. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if there's a specific topic you'd like me to cover. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.